G'day everybody, Pepsi here from DIY Props with a review of a product for you today. Today we have the Craft Workshop miniatures, non-toxic, made in China. I bought it from $2 Things in the South City Centre here in Christchurch, New Zealand. Craft Workshops are available all over the world, I understand. But anyway, what we're going to do is crack it open, have a look and see what it's like. We'll take our trusty craft knife, also brought from $2 Things, not a sponsor. Here we go. Here, look at that. So we've got a nice fence here. So it's quite long. And it's a good 30 centimetres long, approximately, probably 40 centimetres long. It looks quite good. Good quality workmanship there, if you can see that, hopefully. There we go. So, I'm always pretty impressed with the Craft Workshop materials, and they always last pretty good. The best thing, this was $2 for all that. Now I'll use that for something, who knows what, a little fence somewhere around something, who knows. They've been really nicely. I really like these products, so I would give it a 7 out of 10. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, have a great day, and we'll catch you next time. See you later.